I have one with me. So I sprayed it on myself. I let them spray it on themselves. And this is part 2 to Vanillin Supreme by Octavia Morgan. All right, so this morning I sprayed it. If you have not seen it, check out the first video. Before I came out here, I was having a conversation with my coworkers, and they were like, yeah, I remember you blind bought all this fragrance. And I was like, yeah, I have one with me. So I sprayed it on myself. I let them spray it on themselves. And we all like it, right? We all like it. Sorry, I'm outside. You're gonna hear a lot of noise. I'm outside, still at work. But we all liked it, right? It's amazing. It smells good. I wasn't the only one. My coworker, he's a man, he loves it. He was like, there's a lot of notes as soon as you spray it. And I 100% agree. There's a lot going on as soon as you spray it. He could smell the vanilla, I smell it a little bit, but overall, I like it. I really like it. Not as much as dark rose, and I did mispronounce it several times. The fragrance is dark rose. I like that one a lot more, but this is good. Like, I am satisfied with it. Like, this is, I've been on cloud 9 all day. This is good. I suggest you check it out. It's not at Ulta yet. That means it's on the website, but you can't go into the store and smell it yet. But I like it. And for me, I love sandalwood. So the fact that that was the dry down smell, I'm happy. Overall, I'm happy. I think I sprayed it. It was 8 o'clock, 1 o'clock. You could still smell it. I'm good. I like the initial smell. So I like to periodically add more. But like I told you, from 8 to 1, I didn't have to reapply. It's now 3 o'clock and I'm reapplying, because guess who teaches aftercare also? Yes. So once again, Octavia Morgan, Vanillin Supreme. I suggest you check it out. Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is good. And remember, everything is not for everyone. Find something you love, right? All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. Leave any comments if you have any questions. Literally, I just opened it and wow, we got a little indent already. The size of this bottle, I think it's like a 1 point something another. Let me check out the box, hold on. So the box is a 1.7, which is 50 ml. Again, the notes. Hello, bird. Again, the notes: vanilla, rose, rum, cocoa, and sandalwood. Made in Los Angeles. All right, black owned. This is bottle number 2. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good. All right, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Peace and love. Who knows what I'm gonna wear tomorrow? It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Who knows what I'm gonna wear tomorrow? You know, I gotta get the scarf. I wear scarves, gotta get the scarves. And this time it did not go into my mouth. My glasses, yes. My mouth, no. Awesome. Have a wonderful day. Pour into yourselves. Spread love and kindness. Until next time, peace from Peaceful Asha.